Hello guys and welcome to GTF, where today we're going to be playing a bit of Heroes of the Storm as Thrall. Now first up we're going to get Block. He has not a lot of health surprisingly, and so any extra way to survive is hugely beneficial, especially since if you stun Thrall he is basically dead. He's a bit like a Butcher in that way. So his abilities, we have Q, which is Chain Lightning, which does a bit of damage to enemies in the given range. I didn't even read that then. It's been a while since I played Thrall. It's been quite a while. So it does a quick chain hit to the enemies. Plus we have a root, which puts the enemies into place. And we have a Wind Fury, which does a nice bit of damage by tripling how much can't even speak, by tripling a normal base attack at 75%, something like that. Yeah, there you go. So that's quite nice as well. 100% that is, but there's a later perk which gives you the same for a bit less damage, but an extra 3 attacks, which is quite nice. Just back up a little bit, just in case and the first try is up, so let's go and help with that, because it is vital that you try to grab these. It is ridiculous how much
activate the shrine. Defeat its guard.
I'm really quiet because I've got an over advantage over that now. And she is gonna get some extra health back. Let's retreat again. We're a bit low then, let's get some health. I think they've already won the first one. They've already had 8. Okay, there's one of their guys down. Let's try to get back in and see if we can get damage. Oh, we're a bit low. Let's grab this Corey. Missed him. That's bad. Whoa, that was close. Okay, our guys are back in now, which is very, very nice. Next, let's get the Venom, just so we have a little bit more potential in terms of how much damage we can put out there. Now it looks like we won the first one, which is crucial basically. You can have so much extra push as a result. Let's try to destroy these towers. Oh, let's beat him. And he's down. Use the Venom there then straight away. Just to make sure we had that extra damage potential. And he's down too. See what I mean about this extra push? It is ridiculous. We did not do much of a push there, but nevertheless we did get a nice amount. If only we'd stayed in and used our lightning bolt there, that would have been fantastic. Let's stick in the middle for now, just to make sure that this doesn't get pushed back. Actually, yeah, I'm going to go there as well. Actually, that's a nice idea.
We should enlist the aid of these mercenaries.
I'm not going to attack straight away. I'm not strong enough at this level to take on something heavily. So these guys are actually, if you don't actually clear them when they're against you, they can be your demise effectively, because they will basically push until you kill this guy. Even if there's a mission objective, I personally like to kill them, unless you're winning on the mission, winning or losing, I don't know. I don't know where I was going with that. Let's go with the next perk, which is Wind Shear, which is very nice because you get that extra bonus from your stack, which heals you very nicely, and you also get much more damage potential against other heroes because you're able to use more commonly and so on and so forth. So it's very nice to have. I'm not as sure on the other ones. Let's just stop him chasing us while we retreat. A bit too close.
Clever strategy.
Right, we're going to have to try to grab this one again. We do have a 2 level lead, however, that is about level and we're
Show its guardians your resolve.
missing a little bit. There's one dead, and then this guy. There we go, there's another one dead. Can we get this guy? No, he's left it, that's alright. We are winning currently on the scale of these guys dying. I'm just going to stick further away from Mage just before we win the first match. Okay, there is a Nova around here, it would seem, or that to be poisoned him. So let's continue the push. Probably it's not going too badly. Destroy this before he gets any more health. There we go, very nice. Straight away we have the fort. Okay, he's retreated. Oh, that's a shame. He did get away, and we don't really have that much health or mana, but we do have our guys. So we're going to get the mass damage. Let's retreat. We don't really have enough potential there. There we go. There's the guy there. Oh, we need to get that. Our Punisher is dead. I'm going to go back for mana because we're a bit too low for mana at the moment. I can't really use multiple perks. And then again, it's recovering quite nicely. Okay, next, let's go. I think we go up top. That's quite low at the moment, so we could be able to. Okay, alright, I'm about to be in danger there, so I might come back down. I'm a bit far away there. But I do have my ultimate, which does create a little bit of a stun, which is quite nice for people getting away. There we go, there's one there. We know that's not the real one. There you go, let's get him now. Come on, that was a nice stun, but we didn't make the most of it. Yes, we did. We got him down. Very nice. Let's poison him as well. Can we get the kill? No, it's not close enough. So there, Jaina is just out of range. It's a shame. Okay, let's come down for this. See if we can get this to start pushing with us. Sergeant Hammond is on the way, so he can push from that side, I think.
The shrine gathers power. Prepare to
So that's perfect time as well for this. I say that as a knife. So it was very nice timing in that whilst the shrine's being looked at, these guys are going to be pushing. Yuri does get out, and Jaina is Jaina down. Oh, that is a shame. We do not get Jaina. He could use his main ability to have vision over here. He does not do that though, which is a shame.
Ancestors bless.
I'm not sure where their guys are. They do lose. Oh no, they. Oh wow, that is a shame. So we're currently running a game on the old level, and we got a double takedown there. Very nice, very nice. And we're just about to get our next ability. Now this is a tough one. Do we get the twice as many stacks, or do we get the giant killer? Let's have a look at what kind of guys they have. Go. Don't escape over. Thank you very much. Let's come back down to the old guy here. So who do they have in their team? They don't really have that many tanky guys. They only have Thrall. So I'm thinking we might get twice as many stacks, just so we can continue that nice heal. We don't have much to heal at the moment. Double kill! Very nice, very nice. Use the poison on Thrall just to make sure that he didn't have that much health left, hoping that the guy would jump on him, which he did. Destroy that just before we retreat, so that if we have any team fights they can't just go back to them and get more health. What we could do is get this while we're up here.
We should enlist the aid of these
Okay,
mercenaries.
my god, that was quick. Next one, let's get triple final hit. That is nice to have. Oh my god, the damage there. That was nice. That was very nice. Okay, let's go and grab this now.
We should enlist the aid of these mercenaries.
So I should be able to attack this now, actually, with the triple hit and the more stacks. It means that we have a huge amount of damage and heal potential with Fury. Very nice to have. Let's come down here as well, see what's happening. Oh, Bird's a bit low health. Now whilst they are here... Oh, that was close, that was close. So whilst they're defending our team top is pushing quite nicely. Let's not retreat too soon. We do have time whilst they're defending. Okay, now we've got 18 seconds to grab this. Well, 18 seconds before it becomes active. Let's grab this in the first 10 seconds. If it's possible.
Defeat the Shine's guardians. A fine.
Come on, get the heals, get the heals, get the heals, get the heals, get the heals. Close, it's close. That was a really bad move. That was, I don't know what I was thinking there. I was thinking we're 4 levels ahead. We might be able to deal with it. It would have helped if the tank was closer for that range support. We do get the siege tank though, yeah. Siege tank,
Upon the demon's forces.
I don't know what, the troll. They've got a cave troll. So that's quite nice. I don't think they've had a single one as yet, so that's not too bad. But siege, I was saying last video, the Sergeant Hammer damage potential is becoming ridiculous. Especially because he's so hard to attack in the first place because of his range. Without a teleport or something to get close to him, it's really hard to deal with. In the meantime, with it always might pick up this instead rather than charging it. Since it is just murky there. It would be really nice if we could get it down to like 2 seconds cooldown. That would be ridiculous. It would be a bit like what is the guy's name? The healer with the speed damage, Kazan, like that. Is one of the game. Karazin. I think it was that. Okay, I'm not too sure where their guys are, but it looks like we have a nice move coming in here. They are here-ish. Oh no, lag! Oh my god, why do I have really bad internet? Oh, great. Oh god. Don't know what it has been. I might have mentioned it in another video. The internet's been absolutely atrocious recently. I'm going to have to get it sorted because that... I was about to retreat them as well. We still have a 3-level lead though, so my god, 28 to 10, that's not too bad. Not too good on the damage actually so far. I'll have to see what happens ending, but we are pushing, and that is 2 keeps down near enough now, if Murphy just finishes this one off. They are coming back there, so these pushes are... Ah, that's a shame. We do have one keep down though, which is nice, so that these lanes are going to get their catapults now. It's a ton of damage potential. We've got Nova retreating here, so time to pick her off if she comes that direction. There we go, very nice. Our next ability. Now we could go with World Breaker, just for the fun of it. That would be a bit much so. I personally like the Nexus blades, especially with the synergy with the Wind Fury. That is very nice to have. Now let's just reset in place. There you go. Nice little. Shouldn't have really done that. Given that it's got a 10-second cooldown. 5.
For the whole.
Don't want to overcommit. Let's try to draw them into the range. Start putting these off. Okay, I think I'm going to have to go that stun. Very nice. And let's kill the mage quickly as well. And that's a whole team kill. That is nice. And we get the Thrall. So neither of them are the right Nova, which is in the area. Now can we find her? No, I think she's already gone.
A clever strategy.
But this, I do believe, is going to be GG. There's no comeback over this, I don't think. Might as well play these up, get the catapults in range as well. And let's go for a victory. My god, see that damage. 500 a string now, that's not too bad at all. Oh, we get the kill in there as well. Very nice, very nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. That wasn't brilliant, but it was alright, it was alright. I can see quite a lot of synergy working there, but he doesn't have a lot of health really. He can be killed with a stun and then all his heals are gone. So maybe I'll best stun more time and then have a look. Oh, a new skin as well. So last of all, 28 to 3, not too bad. 32,000, not very good really. And oh, that's not very good. It's hero damage either. And if you're interested in the talents, that's the talent I went with. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do drop a like. It does help. And if you really like the video, please do subscribe and check the channel for similar content. I hope you've had a fantastic day, and until next time, bye.